Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the lock screen password on your Onyx Boox Poke 3. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here go for the more settings, enter the password screen lock password setting, and here it's recommended to log into your Onyx account in case you forget this lock screen password. That way you'll be able to recover your device easily, but I'm gonna skip it and click on OK. Here we can add the password. Let's go for a very simple one: 1234 1234. Click on OK. And now the password should be set successfully. If you lock your device, you'll need to give the password to unlock it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.